So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video will be a very interesting video guys, because in this video I am going to talk about a very interesting and also a very important thing for us. We everyone, big, small, younger, elder, we everyone need this thing. This is very important for our exams also, for our daily life, for our jobs, for our daily work also. That writing. We everyone know that LSRW. I always say we have to listen, we have to speak, we have to read, we have to write. And I also gave you lots of tips and tricks that how to improve your speaking power, listening power and reading power in my lots of videos. If you are watching all my videos, then you can understand it. And if you are new, so you can go after this video, you can watch all of this my old videos. And now I again entered in my topic, that how to improve your writing skills, how to make your writing skills, your handwriting better than your old one. So this tricks today's video, and today I am going to give you 3 or like 2 and 3 lots of tricks, that when you use those tricks, then you can make your handwriting better. Very interesting and very beautiful. That now for this you can understand, today I am going to talk about writing. Yes guys, it is very important and also very helpful for us, useful for us. So without wasting time, let's start our video. This video will be very. So guys, my first trick is also a very interesting trick. So this trick is very important for us. If you just practice the tricks and if you practice this idea, I am guaranteed that your handwriting, your full writing will be so good and so beautiful. That right. Always remember, write. Everything is depend on you. Now I am giving you tip and trick, but you have to use them. So you have to write. You have to write lots of stories. Like writing, you have to write regularly, daily 2 or 3 pages. Daily, regularly, every day. So when we practice the writing skill with the help of writing, then like speaking, in speaking we have to say, we have to talk, we have to speak. In writing also we have to write. So first write 2 or 3 pages daily every day, and then after writing you have to mark. Try to mark your small mistake also, your small faults, your like this type of faults lots of people do. Lots of people also, I think also I also first time I did lots of mistakes like this and like those mistakes. But when we just mark, when in that moment also I just marked every mistake that I did in my writing, in my handwriting, and then after marking all that, try to solve them. There are like this video also, and like after this video there are lots of handwriting videos how to solve, like there are lots of handwritings, like your book also, handwriting books and handwriting copies. You can practice in those, in these things, and then when we will do practice, when we solve our mistakes, then our handwriting will so perfect, like very beautiful and also very perfect. And now writing, lots of people will answer, will question to me that now what we have to write. Lots of people questioned me what we have to write. So like the stories, when we write a story, then we also in that moment we can develop our speaking power, we also can understand, and in that moment while writing we can get lots of benefits. When we write a story daily, 1 page, 2 page, 3 page of a story. Otherwise you can write also a full story of like children's book or your own textbook, your own English textbook. So when you do this, then you can improve your writing skill, because always remember, we have to learn from our mistakes, problems. as we everyone know that. And now it is the time for our next step, for our next idea. This idea also very important, so let's go to our next idea. So now guys, my second tip and trick, like my second next idea is also very important for us, that always before you write, like before you always try to remember this thing, this idea, that while we just writing, you have to always, before you write or write anything, a paragraph and a letter, a story, or you while before you do some practice, you need a clean and also a very beautiful page for our writing, for to improve our writing skill. That is so important. A very beautiful like page, like blank page, clean page you need to write, not like this old and also this dirty page. You need like this page. When we write in a very clear and also a very beautiful page, then our whole brain also very happy. And when like you can do this thing, like take a very old paper and also any old page, like a dirty scratches page, and then you write on this page, and after writing on that, you take again a very clear and a very beautiful page, and now in that moment try to write on this page. You can feel the difference. I think that I have not to tell you those with difference and also what is difference between them. You can try to explain, you can understand in that moment. And after the page, you need also a very good, a comfortable pen for you. Like I am going to show you something, that here you can see that I have like this 4 pens, like this type of pen and this type of pen, and there are lots of people this type of pen and like this type of pen. So now there are shapes, there are models, and there are ink also. There are lots of difference on these pens. If you are writing from 2 years and from 1 year, you can understand this thing. So when we write with the help of these pens, then our whole brain is just separated, like which pen we need, which pen is very comfortable for us. That I think now my comfortable pen is this type of pen, and in lots of moment I also write lots of pages, paragraphs, and I also practice with this type of pen. So I think that these 2 types of pen is comfortable for me. And now lots of people also have their own experience, have their own thinking, and also they just choice like that. So always remember, try to find out which pen is comfortable for you, which shape of pen is comfortable for you, and then take this one and write. Lots of people did not notice small thing, but always remember, to a great mind nothing is little. Those idea which I tell you, this is very important for our writing skill, for to improve our writing skill. Always try to recognize them. And now the next and the last tip, like last idea, is also very important for us, that always remember, when we, like I am going to talk about some benefits of writing. When we write in a page, in a full paper, in our style, in our handwriting, then when the handwriting will so bad, and when the handwriting when we do lots of mistakes, and also in lots of time, after a moment, our whole interest and also our whole excitement, it was in that moment we lost our whole excitement, and in that time we just think that just do fast. But this is wrong thing. If you are boring, if you are feel boring for to write, and then in that time just take a rest, or in that time stop writing, move your hand like this and your fingers also, just practice with them, and then you can write very easily. After a time, drink water, take some rest, stop for a moment, moment, and then again start your writing. In that moment our whole excitement came back again, and then we also can get the power for to write again and for to do this thing. And now benefits which I am talking about, that benefits, writing has lots of benefits. When we write in our exam very clearly and also very beautifully, then our our teachers, when they tick wrong or right, when they saw your papers, your pages, your question and answer, then they also feel so good. And if you do some small mistake, they will say that they will not notice your small mistakes. But when we do lots of jams, and also if we do lots of mistakes, so in that time teachers also feel so good, and they will give you extra mark also. It can be. Now guys, I think that you could understand what is the benefits, how to improve your writing skills. So now guys, I think that I have to end this video, but in the last moment I have to notice everyone, I have to give a notice that lots of people are watching our video daily, and also lots of people feeling so good, and also they use our ideas and also tricks, and also they also feel so very good to watching our videos. But lots of people are not subscribing our channel, also like our video. So I request to everyone that please, if you are like our videos, and if you want to watch lots of videos like this tip and trick video, and also my storytelling video, vlogs, so please subscribe my channel for everyday new update. And I think that I will come again after some few days. And so thank you, take care, to a great mind nothing is little, and always remember, try to use my tricks and tips to writing. You can see the difference. This trick, this handwriting is my old handwriting, and then after lots of practices, after 1 year practice, this is my difference. You can feel the difference. So now guys, I think that you also will practice, and you also will develop your handwriting so much. Thank you, to a great mind nothing is little.